Okay, welcome to another Wiser Sports Cards box break. It's been a few months. I had a lot going on, just didn't have the time. But I'm starting up again as things calm down on my end. So we're going to kick off with recently released Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo Box. 5 autographs per box, plus some other refractors, variations, and inserts. Also going on tomorrow night, I've got the teams listed. I'm doing a one-box football break, 2015 Prestige Football. Those auctions are going on right now. And those end tomorrow night, and the break will be 9:30 p.m. tomorrow night for the football break. So unfortunately, we had a couple people not pay. So we had whoops. So we got 24 teams sold, 4 unsold, and 2 that were forfeit. So we've got the Atlanta Braves to Sean LUS, the Baltimore Orioles to Brian FOR, the Boston Red Sox to Brian FOR, the Chicago Cubs to Brian KNU, Chicago White Sox to Claudio PER, the Cincinnati Reds to Brian FOR, the Detroit Tigers to Ernest LAN, the Los Angeles Angels to Brandy LYN, the Los Angeles Dodgers to Ernest LAN, the Milwaukee Brewers to Alex BOR, the Minnesota Twins to Mitchell HAL, the New York Mets to Alex BOR, the New York Yankees to Jeremy STE, the Oakland Athletics to Brandy LYN, the Philadelphia Phillies to Mitchell HAL, the Pittsburgh Pirates to Brandy LYN, the San Diego Padres and the Giants, Mariners, and Cardinals are also Brandy LYN, the Tampa Bay Rays to Alex BOR, the Texas Rangers to Brandy LYN, the Toronto Blue Jays to DMOO, and the Nationals to Jeremy STE. We had the Diamondbacks, Rockies, Royals, and Marlins go unsold, and the Indians and Astros go unpaid for. If there's any cards that need to be randomized, which in Topps Chrome is rare, there's like some dual and triple autos, but other than that, everything is single player. But on the off chance something has to be randomized, the unsold and forfeit teams will not be included in that. So if it's 2 teams and 1 team was unsold, it automatically goes to the other. Anything from those unsold teams and forfeit will be, I use it for my show cards or for eBay. All right. Once again, let me know that you hear me as I go ahead and get started. So we've got 13 cards per pack and 12 packs. Empty box, styrofoam underneath, nothing underneath that. Can everyone still hear me? All right, so let's get started. This one will actually be a quick one. As a reminder, in case you didn't read the listings, everybody's guaranteed to get at least 4 cards. If you do not get 4 cards, I add some cards to it, and I ship everything: base, rookies, hits, refractors, inserts, parallels, autos, memorabilia. So I'll skim through the base cards. We got a Javier Baez for the Cubs rookie card. A Stephen Moyer rookie for the Detroit Tigers. And right off the bat, we got a Corey Spangenberg autograph for the San Diego Padres. Not numbered. Yasmani Thomas, rookie for the Arizona Diamondbacks. And the San Diego Padres was Brandy LYN. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page. I'll be posting the hits after the break, as well as you'll find information on upcoming breaks, sports card shows, and just any other hobby-related stuff I post. All right, we got Ryan Braun. Got a Yimi Garcia rookie for the LA Dodgers. Dalton Pompey rookie for the Blue Jays. Oops. Max Scherzer. I don't know if I showed the David Price. And for the Colorado Rockies, we got a wave refractor. They seem to have changed it up from their X-Fractors this year. They also do not number them. And for the White Sox, we've got the Jose Abreu Gallery of Greats insert card. For the Tigers, we got Melvin Mercedes rookie. For the Milwaukee Brewers, we got Jason Rogers rookie. Oops. Oops. For the Atlanta Braves, we've got a Future Stars insert, Mike Fultonowicz. Not numbered. It's for the Atlanta Braves. And you may have seen it, sneak peek for the White Sox, Micah Johnson autograph. This is the refractor, and it is numbered 453 out of 499. And that is going out to Claudio PER. Got a Buster Posey, looks like a refractor, which they did not specify refractor on the back. You just kind of have to look carefully. A little rusty at this. Like I said, it's been a few months that I've been opening on since I've opened on camera. So, pack number 4. Going forward, I look to do a break or two. Usually, I'll schedule them every other week. Sometimes, if it's just one, it'll just be one night. But 2 breaks, maybe the same night, or maybe back-to-back nights like this week. Got a Trevor May rookie for the Minnesota Twins. BJ Alvarez rookie for the Athletics. And we've got a Jacob deGrom purple refractor for the Mets. That is numbered 192 out of 250. And it looks like Danny Santana looks like a refractor. Albert Pujols, watched him last night. His 3-run shot went right over my head at the stadium. Unfortunately, I was a few feet to the left or right, so I couldn't catch it. And then we watched it bounce right back into the bullpen. because everybody else missed it too. Tigers lost 8-7, but it was still a fun game to watch. Got a Carlos Rodon wave refractor. And for the St. Louis Cardinals, we've got a Samuel Tuivalela. Yeah, I can't even say that one. St. Louis Cardinals, that's going out to Brandy LYN. Hunter Strickland rookie for the San Francisco Giants. Pack number 6. Jose Perella rookie for the Yankees. John Holtzcomb rookie for the Pirates. For the Blue Jays, we got a Russell Martin blue refractor. That's going to be numbered 114 out of 150. Corey Spangenberg rookie. Bryce Spence rookie for the Red Sox. And a Christian Walker rookie for the Orioles. So halfway through, we've got 3 autos, the blue and the purple refractors. I know there's variations that are very tough. Supposedly it's things like celebrations and other miscellaneous things. But I'm told they're only refractors. Rafael Yanoa rookie for the Rockies. Yorman Rodriguez rookie for the Cincinnati Reds. Sterling Marte, that looks like a refractor. A Tanaka wave refractor for the Yankees. And also for the Yankees, our 4th auto, we've got Brian Mitchell. Which is going out to Jeremy STE. Got the Paul Konerko, excuse me, going away. Gilder Rodriguez rookie for the Texas Rangers. For the Detroit Tigers, we've got Buck Farmer. And also for the Tigers, we've got the Kyle Lobstein rookie. Archie Bradley rookie for the Diamondbacks. Steven Mora, Future Stars insert for the Tigers. Again, not numbered. For the Blue Jays, we've got a Devin Travis. Looks like a refractor rookie. For the Braves, Mike Fultonowicz. Regular Devin Travis rookie. And finish the pack off with Buster Posey. Deoner Navarro, looks like a refractor. Anthony Rendon, wave refractor for the Washington Nationals. Got the Jeter. It looks like it could be a refractor, but it may not be. James McCann, rookie for the Detroit Tigers. Three packs to go, 75% of the way through. Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, rookie for the Philadelphia Phillies. Brandon Finnegan, rookie for the Royals. And for the Arizona Diamondbacks, you've got a Jake Lamb, gold rookie refractor. He's numbered 17 out of 50. 2 off his jersey number. For the Orioles, Christian Walker, Future Stars. Two packs left, looking for that last auto. Got a Chrome Commencements, Anthony Rendon insert for the Washington Nationals. Not numbered. Garrett Richards, wave refractor. Ryan Rua, rookie for the Texas Rangers. Kendall Graveman, rookie for the Oakland Athletics. All right, last pack. Let's see if we can make some magic happen. Michael Franco, rookie for the Phillies. And last auto, Brandon Finnegan for the Kansas City Royals. Got the Daniel Norris rookie for the Blue Jays. Of course, he's now with the Tigers, but that still goes to the Blue Jays, the team on the uniform on the card. Xavier Suggs rookie. And we'll finish it off with a Michael Taylor rookie for the Nationals. So once again, the last auto was Brian Finnegan, Kansas City Royals. Which actually was unsold. So thank you for joining us. Like I said, cards will go out tomorrow. If you didn't get 4 cards for your team, I will make sure to add cards to make up to 4. I've got a box of Chrome waiting to be opened, as well as anything else from this year, Topps, Series 1, Series 2, Heritage, just whatever I come up with. So thanks again for joining us, and be sure to look for more breaks in the future. Like I said, on Facebook, Twitter, just check my store for the auctions pages. And thank you for joining us.